Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to turn off unwanted notification pop-up on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on it, and then this is going to pop up. Go ahead and click on settings. And here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the system display sounds and notification powers. Click on that. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to notifications and actions. Click on that. So here we go. Notifications. Get notification from apps and other than senders. This including some websites or apps that you install on your Windows PC, which simply means that you can get notification from everything if you enable this. If you want to stop getting notification from websites or any apps you install on your Windows PC, go ahead and make sure you turn off this particular button right here. So once you turn it off, it simply means that you are not getting notification from any apps. So you can see everything that has been disabled right here, just like what you see right here. However, you can do a custom notification settings. For that, go ahead and come back right here. Make sure you turn on this. Then when you turn this on, every notification here is going to turn on again. Then you can decide some of the notification that you want to turn off. Like for instance, Wondershare notification, I'm going to turn off. Then Brave browser, I'm going to turn off. Then scroll down right here and review as many as possible apps that you would like to turn off notification from them, just like what you have them right here in your notification settings. Then here, show notification on the lock screen. You can decide to disable notification on the lock screen. This will enable you that each time you have any notification and your screen is locked, you will not get the notification pop up on your screen right here. Then you can show reminder and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen. Allow notification to play sound. Show me the window welcome experience after update, and occasionally when I sign in to highlight what is new and suggested. The next one here, suggest way I can finish starting up my device to get most of the windows. You can read details as far as this is concerned and turn off as many as possible notification you don't want in your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you